In this video, we will learn how to add Google Keep notes in Google Docs. So let's start. This is my Google Documents, and here I am going to add Google Keep notes. So just select your notes. So I select this para and just right click of the mouse, and here you can see option Save to Keep. Just click on it, and here you can see your Google Keep is open and your notes also here added. So if you want to pin these notes, you can click on this pin option. Just click on this three dot. If you want to delete, you can delete this archive and open in Keep. So just click on open in Keep. So you can open here Google Keep. Now if you want to do any formatting on this, you can do it and add here the title if you want, and click on the close, and the notes is added. Same as you can add here the image also. So I just click on this image and the right click of the mouse, and here have a more view more actions. Click on the save to keep. When you click on the save to keep, and here the Google Keep is open. Same as image also added in notes. Click on this three dot. If you want to archive, you can archive, delete it, you can delete this. Open in Google Keep, same here. You can change here the formatting if you want. If you want to archive, you can set the archive. The more option also available. So add label, you can add the label for this, add drawing, make a copy. So these are the options you can use. Just click on the close, and here you can see the image also added in your Google Keep. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.